Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to read chapter number 3 of unit 3, Water Crisis in Pakistan. What is meant by water crisis? Actually, a water crisis is when there is not enough potable water for a population, which in turn leads to drought, famine and death. Today, safe drinking water has become a luxury for people living in drought-hit regions. So students, what is water crisis in Pakistan? Water crisis is the lack of a sufficient available water resources to meet the water needs of a region or an era. Water scarcity involves water shortage, water stress or defects and water crisis. The availability of water or the lack of it affects every continent of the world. More than 1.2 billion people worldwide lack access to clean drinking water. Usage of water in Pakistan. So now in Pakistan, what are the uses of water? Over 90% of water is used for agriculture in Pakistan, right? And the remaining what is left is then divided for use equally between industrial and domestic use. Most of the water is used for irrigation and agriculture, emphasizing the particular significance of agriculture in the country. Pakistan, as we all know that Pakistan has the world's largest contiguous irrigation system known as the Indus Basin Irrigation System, and therefore a great chunk of water is used here in the agriculture sector. Essential for power and electricity generation in Pakistan. So the students in Pakistan, water is also essential for power and electricity generation, and about 29% of electricity is generated through hydropower. Also, water is used for industrial and domestic purpose in Pakistan. Here are the major causes of water crisis. What is the reason of shortage of water in Pakistan? First of all, water pollution, floods and droughts, groundwater, overdrafting and changing weather patterns. So, the first point is water pollution. The first cause is water pollution. People of Pakistan and their well-being is threatened by factors like water pollution, discharge unsafe drinking water. While some do not have water to drink, others waste it in vast quantities and do not have awareness and thus do not value the scarce resource of water. Okay, water shortage is also caused by climate change, changing weather patterns, floods and droughts, increased pollution, increased human demand, and our use and wastage of water. As we waste water while washing our cars and other things or taking shower. The term water crisis labels a situation where the available drinking unpolluted water is less than the demand for it. Water scarcity is affected by growing fresh water used and depletion of usable freshwater resources. As a relatively dry country, Pakistan depends heavily on annual glacier melts and monsoon rains. Water from these sources flows down the rivers and down to the sea On this path, there are seepages into the ground where water-bearing rocks or aquifers absorb and store in this water. Most parts of the country receive small amounts of rain and have little or no access to surface water. In this situation, according to an estimate, unless we carefully manage our water resources, Pakistan is likely to run dry by the year 2025. Okay students, I hope you will understand the meaning of water crisis and what are the causes of water crisis in Pakistan. Thank you.